Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to create a chart very easily. I therefore created a table for example. It is a table in which there are values of the sale of French fries. After creating the graph, we will find out which are the best sellers. First, mark a place in your table and press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A to mark the entire table. Press Insert and Recommended Charts. Here you have many presets to choose from. I will choose this preset for my table. You can see that when I mark the chart itself, it shows me its place in the table. Now I'll show you how the chart changes in real time. I mark a certain place and overwrite the value. As you can see, the graph has changed immediately. If it's a mistake and you want to go back one step, press Ctrl+Z. Now you know how to create the simplest chart. I hope this video helped you and please give me a like and subscribe. See you next time.